This video will show you the steps that needs to be taken to download and integrate the LTVP plugin with your app. Here we have an empty Unity project. The first thing that needs to be done is to download the plugin from the asset store. First open the asset store. And go to the plugin page. This is the Android plugin page. Since I already have the plugin downloaded on my machine, I get the import button, but if you are downloading the plugin for the first time, you will get a download button. Click the import button. This shows the contents of the plugin. Click import. The plugin is now imported into the project. Two folders are created, the editor folder and the plugins folder. The plugins folder will have the entire contents of the plugin. It also has a test support folder which contains some sample script files and a test scene which you can run to test out the plugin. This test support folder can be deleted when your app is ready for release. Let's open up the script file. The test support folder contains inmobi.ui.cs. This file has various buttons which make calls to the different methods provided by the plugin. For example, here we can see the start session call being made. For a complete reference of all the methods provided by the plugin, please refer to our online documentation. We also have an InMobi Android event listener.cs file. This provides an example of listening to the various events fired by the plugin. Coming back to the InMobi UI.cs file, this is where you'll have to insert the app ID that you generate when creating an app on the portal. Let us go back to the InMobi portal, and under app settings you can find the app ID. Copy this app ID and paste it here. Now that we have the app ID set up, let's go back to Unity and run the test scene. First thing that needs to be done is to switch the platform to Android. Select Android and click switch platform. Now let's include the demo scene and build the project. The app is now running on the device. Let's open up the Logcat logs so that we can see the various information printed out by the plugin. The first method that needs to be called is the start session method. Let's click this start session button in order to call the plugin method. So as you can see, the plugin prints out with different logs that is helpful for debugging purposes. Similarly, you can try out the other methods by clicking the various other buttons. For example, You can track custom event by clicking this track custom event button. This will be immediately reflected in the portal. Let's open up the portal and go to Insights, Custom Events. As you can see here, the event is reflected on the portal. Similarly, you can try out the other methods provided by the plugin.